If you'd like to see how I embellished this wine glass to match this miniature set of Patron bottles that I recently embellished, keep watching this video. Today I am going to be doing a video embellishing this plain large wine glass with some rhinestones. I will be painting this glass. This glass is going to be a part of a gift to match some little mini Patron bottles that I did. I'll show you before this video is over. I'm going to be painting this glass a combination of two colors. I'm going to use lime green. I'm going to use apricot. I'm using apricot to mimic this dark yellow. These sun yellow rhinestones I have. They're jelly AB rhinestones. I really want the color to pop. And I'm going to be mimicking this lime green color. So I want that to pop as well. And then I'll be using some clear AB. All the sizes I'm going to use is going to be 5mm rhinestones. So without further ado, we're gonna hop right into it. Liquid Fusion is the glue that I'll be using. I will have it in this little precision tip bottle that you can purchase on Amazon. The name of this paint is Apple Barrel. The color is lime tree and apricot, and these are no more than 50 cents at your local Walmart. The paint brushes were $1 from Dollar Tree. I'm not too sure exactly how I'm gonna do this, but what I do know is I want to incorporate these colors. But I think I'm gonna kind of do, I don't usually do designs. I either do like a scatter or I do like all one color or something like that. So I'm trying to get a little more fancier with these wine glasses. Painting on the apricot. Just like that. I don't know exactly which way or how I want to do this, but just go ahead and watch me add this paint to this glass. But this is one of those situations where you just have to trust the process, because even I'm looking like, what? So I'm just gonna rinse off my brush and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna add some green. Now my brush is rinsed off and cleaned. Now just watch me go ahead and add some lime green. I probably should have had a skinnier brush, or maybe I can cut some bristles off this brush to be a little more precise. I'm not trying to get this perfect. I'm just trying to I'm picturing in my head how I want it to be, but it's hard to explain it. I'm gonna let my fan dry on this for a little bit, and then I'll come back and we can go ahead and get started. Okay, so the glass is now dry. It's actually the next day because I had something to do. So the longer it dried, the better. So it's on there. And what I'm going to do is start off with this color, which is a sun yellow. And I'm just gonna go ahead and maybe do 1 or 2 rows of each color and try to get it on. You'll see. I'm trying to go along with the pattern. And I really want that color pop. So that's why I went ahead and painted this. So let's go ahead and get right into it. With just a little bit of glue right on the edge here. Take my wax pickup stick and begin to apply this. And I'll just continue to do the same thing. So I'm like 2 rows in, working on my 3rd row. It may not all come together perfectly, but you see what I'm trying to do here? I'm just trying to back up the colors that I'm using so they'll have even more pop. So that's why I added the color to the glass, which is the same color of the stones. So just continue to follow along. Trust the process. Like I said, it will look a lot better. To be adding 5mm clear AB rhinestones to the area where I didn't add any paint. So I did one row of the clear AB rhinestones. Now I'm gonna hop right into this lime green jelly AB 5mm rhinestones. I didn't have enough room here the way I painted it to do 2 rows, so we're just gonna go. Ahead and got busy, and this is something different than what I've ever done before. I've painted glasses before. Like I said, I've just done one solid color, but 3 colors. I am digging this. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. I'll show you what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to match these little Patron bottles. I did a set. You can check the video out. It's the last video I uploaded before this, well, before this video that I'm gonna upload. But they sold. They didn't sell to the original person they were for. Somebody else bought them because they had to have them because they were so nice. So look, you get where I'm going here? You see, you get it? You see what I'm trying to do here? So this is gonna be a birthday gift for somebody. And I'm gonna knock these out the same way I did them in the other videos. I just gotta replace them because they were so bomb. Somebody wanted them, which is cool. And this glass is gonna go to somebody. I hope she likes it because I feel like I really went in with this glass. I feel like I really went in with this because I like how the colors pop. As you can see, I just added some paint and it just made it pop. It still would have been nice if I didn't add, but it wouldn't have been as much of a pop because these can tend to be a little transparent. So I think this looks amazing. So just watch me go ahead and continue to add some more. So in my mind, I was thinking if I make the stripe thick enough that I can have 2 rows of lime green here, 2 rows of the clear AB, and then 2 rows here of the sun yellow. So that's what I'm gonna finish up right now. Gonna go ahead and add that. And keep in mind, guys, these make lovely Christmas gifts, stocking stuffers, birthday gifts, etc. Just take your time, place your stones on nice and neat. That's the main thing to focus on. This is something that you can definitely do. Final with my Silhouette Cameo cutter, and I'm gonna go ahead and attach that on. I already have it on the tape, the transfer tape. The name is Chris. And she's turning 21, so I'm going to put the 21 on the other side and the name on one side. And I have an alcohol prep pad, so I could just carefully take it from the bottom because the bottom stones are dry. Carefully wipe the whole glass off. This glass can be washed once the glue has fully cured. I will let this glue cure, I would say 48 hours, at least 48 hours. Okay, so just make sure there's no oil from your hands, dirt, debris, or anything like that. I eyeball it. I've done it crooked accidentally in the past. I've had to pull it back off and start over. So just really just kind of take your time. Just kind of sit there and eyeball it. Make sure your hands are straight. Okay, I feel like that's straight. Now I'm going to go to the other side and put the 21 that I have here. I feel like that is straight. Take your gift card, credit card, whatever you have. Firmly scrape up against the vinyl. Okay, so now I have it all smoothed on really good. I'm gonna go ahead and peel this off. I like to pull in an upward motion. Oh, that's pretty. Now I'm gonna go ahead and peel off the other side. And there we go. All right, so I have 21 here and I have Chris here. Okay, you guys, here is the final look of this wine glass. As you can see, I added the name Chris and I used lime green to match the glass. And this is sun yellow jelly AB rhinestones, 5mm, clear AB rhinestones, 5mm, and it's also sun yellow. I will have a link where you can purchase these rhinestones. If you don't have a cutter to cut out a name, that's fine. You don't have to do that step. That's completely optional. And then that's the 21 right there. I think this came out exceptional. This is actually my first time playing with multiple colors on a glass, and I'm so glad I did. I was inspired because of this Patron set right here. These are going to be blinged out as well, and I'll insert a picture of actually how it looks. I sold the last set, so I have to make more, but this is going to be a set, and this is going to match this. The glass will pop more. I won't be painting the bottles, but it'll still match. I thank you guys for watching. I hope that you did receive some type of inspiration or just thought this was a great idea to go ahead and paint the glass first. Like this video and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you decide that's what you want to do. Share this video on Facebook and have a happy holiday, you guys. Bye-bye. Okay, as promised, here are the finished Patron bottles, the second set that I did. Once I finished the wine glass, I went ahead and knocked out the bottles too, so they're complete, because I wanted you all to see how it all looks side by side. I didn't have any orange rhinestones, so I went ahead and used clear, but I do like how I used the green, the clear, and the sun yellow. Thank you again for watching. Bye-bye.